Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about my Google Sheet scanner, which I'm going to update you for next week on the December 3rd, 4th week, which we are going to plan for our weekly positional strategy based on our advanced option strategy concept. The data is for 18th Monday to 22nd Friday on December. And the last week is expiry week around 26 to 28. But we are going to plan our positional trade on weekly basis. Maybe next week also be possible because the next 2 week is about the 25th. Is holiday around or 3 days is left for expiry on the next week. So we may be using our positional strategy for the next week of December 18 to 21. So this is what the last week where we find out our Google Sheet to given you some entry opportunity based on our advanced option strategy concept that I'm shown you here in this video. Let me see national aluminum persistence. I think persistence has given you such a good result. Almost 10 plus stocks which given you more than 50%, and 30% is almost 18 stocks which generate you some opportunities to take a trade in positional basis on weekly time frame. As of now, monthly, based on our advanced option strategy concept, I think almost 43 stocks which given you the target. Maybe some stocks we are looking for maybe gap up. So we already discussed and we done the back test of this month, December monthly positional. Some stocks, almost 43 stocks given you the target. So maybe 20 stocks if you are removed from a gap up or gap down and not able to trade, but remaining 20 stock that achieved our target. But we are going to focus 5 to 6 stocks in a month. That's good enough based on our positional trading strategy concept. That was working good and well. And intraday, it is always working better in any market conditions up or down. So we are going to plan only the fresh breakout opportunity, which we are going to take out from this Google Sheet, and weekly positional that I am going to update you today for a next week contract. So here last week, so we have a national aluminum 97 that given you. So let me check whether it is giving you the opportunity or not. If I am looking for a weekly trades, 2 to 3 trades is good enough to focus. I'm going to open my abstracts link where I can easily find out the camera levels and also option charts in daily time frame. So a lot of things is possible here. And if you want to open an account with under my referral link, the link already available in the description. You can copy and you can create your account with this link also. So National Aluminum 97 call option should be the entry opportunity. So let I'm going to try for this. Just a moment. So this one, National Aluminum, by the opening itself, it was opened by the gap up about to the R4. So we should avoid such a kind of trade. Sorry, our entry point should be around 5 rupees, right? So by starting itself, it has went up to 12 to 14. But that 5 rupees we got triggered by this particular day. But this is a gap up. And 14th December, so previous close is around 3.5. Next day opened by 5.6 and it closed by 6 rupees. So there is no opportunity. Such as trades we are ignoring. And persistence, let me go to check persistence. And persistence, the strike price also mentioned 6500. I'm going to take the call option. And there is an entry point is around 364. Yeah, 319, maybe 360. Here maybe there is an opportunity 364 or here. Yeah, so the second candle at the 14th December 9:30, we got a 9:30 to 9:45 the entry point. So after that it is going to give you almost 900 rupees, but our target is already achieved. Some same like that, so we have to filter out the stocks which is not given you the entry also, but here it is showing as a scanner. It will show you all the stocks which is reaching towards our target. Okay, so like we need to find out DLF is the one which I find out, and TCS sale. Some stock may be gap up, but from this almost 18 stock, so we need to try for a 2 to 3 stocks in a weekly basis. That's good enough for a weekly positional. And monthly positional, we are always focusing for monthly ones. Okay, so we try to update that week for next week, that is Monday, from tomorrow onwards. So we need to update the weekly positional only and also daily positional. Monthly positional is always be the same, and only it is going to be updated every month, first of the every month. Okay, so it is a monthly positional. From first of the month, we are looking for a trade opportunities on positional basis. Okay, so we should update this one. So I'm going to update you right now. So whether it is working or not, we'll check it in the live session itself. And the weekly positional. So we will find out newer opportunity for the next week, and all the strike prices and the entry prices would be different. So we need to try for the next week. So let me check whether it is going to be updated. And if you have any questions or a doubt also, you just comment on the comment box. And this is what a scanner which I used for my positional option strategy. Let me check this. I'm just doing it right now. And if you want to access this Google Sheet, it is about a monthly subscription charges. And if you want, you can get it from me, and you can just WhatsApp me the number which shown on this video. And the monthly positional and weekly positional both should be going to be updated to track. And in daily sheet, if you any stock which is showing you the 100, so that stock is not liquid yet. So that will be shown by the opening itself. So we should simply ignore those stocks not required to focus on. But after 9:30, if you find out any stocks which is going to give you such opportunity, then you can focus that stocks only for your positional trade opportunities as well as intraday. So now the sheet is going to be updated, and let me check whether how it is going to be changed. Okay, so let me wait. Yeah, now it is updating right now. So whatever the strike prices which we are seeing last week, that entirely strike price would be changed on weekly. And look at this. So these are all the new opportunities. Maybe next week, if you get an opportunity, if it is changed from the trade, that means if at anyone which crosses above 100, then we can focus those stocks. And currently, so we have a weekly update, and for next week of 18 to 24 we updated, and monthly positional is still remaining same. It will never change. And if you want to find a newer opportunity, but already we are nearing to that expiry, only 1 week, and the next week 3 trading sessions only. So simply wait for ignore for a new position and positional. And intraday also updated, so you can see OFSs, Bosch, Lalpath and Ibull. So doesn't have a liquidity. So I will show you 222.5 IBUL. IBUL 222.5 is the strike price. If you see there is no liquidity, you can see yesterday traded very no traded, and that is a reason which you are looking for. Just a second. Okay, so what we are saying, IBUL 222. Okay, so if you have seen that there is a no liquidity, that's why the stock is showing you equal to 100%. So tomorrow, if the stock will came, you should simply ignore an MCX 3280. So if you're looking at MCX 3280, it is act as a option scanner. And look at this. This is what not a trading perfectly. So if you have seen, there is a huge gap between the prices, and it is sometimes it is not traded, sometimes it is traded. So something like that in intraday. So but intraday, if you are using after 9:30, if any stock which breaks the level, you can focus those one. Okay, so that should be an opportunity with our Google Sheet. And if you want to access this Google Sheet, so monthly subscription basis which available. So if you want, you can take it. And this is a weekly, so we have updated the sheet for next week. And thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And any other questions, doubt, you just ping me on the chat box. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this, and thank you so much for this video. Thank you.